Hello and welcome to the third in this series of guides to using MySID. In this guide we're going to have a look at the self-evaluation review framework tool and show you how to set it up and how it works. So the first thing you're going to do when you navigate to the self-evaluation review tab is you're going to create a version of your self-evaluation review. So if you click on the new version, you'll be asked to provide a suitable title. So I'm simply going to put self-evaluation review for the current academic year, which is 2014-15. Now, what MySID allows you to do is it allows you to browse for and upload your existing self-evaluation review. And you have that option. So if you wish to simply download this in the template or the format that you currently use, then you're able to do that by simply clicking on the browse button. And when you click on the browse button, it will take you to your document library, and you're able to select the document that you want to add, and then you can simply upload it. Okay, if you do that, that's then the end of the story, and you don't have to go any further in terms of the upload of your SER. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to set the SER up in this instance using a template that we've created. So I'm going to go to new version. Okay. Now when I've gone to new version, you can see now that it's displaying as SER 2014-15, and you'll recognise the structure now because we've got the tab with the overview at the start, and then the detail through the tabs then in terms of the ESTIN key questions for standards provision and leadership, and again the comments box at the end of the section so that there can be a dialogue between the head teacher and the challenge advisor on the progress with the SER. So I guess the first thing to point out as well is on this page you can download the self-evaluation manual which has been provided by ESTIN. So if we click on the PDF icon at the top of the screen here, what will happen is, as you can see, the ESTIN guidance, the self-evaluation manual, and this one is the one for primary schools, now appears on the screen, because obviously I'm in a primary school, so that's going to be the information that's most pertinent to me in terms of completing my work. And it will go through and talk about best practice in terms of completing the self-evaluation. So that guidance is available there as well. And once again, once you've completed the summary, or at a fixed point in time, if you want to share the summary, you can download the PDF report. And if you click on the download PDF report button, again, what's going to happen is it's going to allow you to open this report, print it, share it, and so on. And as you can see, it will provide a summary of all the information that you've provided through the various sections. Okay, so that's like gives you a summary of the work that's been completed. So if we have a look at the various tabs, once again you've got an editing button on the screen. Okay, the edit button will always appear the same across the system. In the first section, the overview, you're able to provide a high-level summary of the current performance, the capacity to improve, overall strengths, and identified areas in need of development. And then you're able to provide the more detailed information through the three sections. So if we start with key question 1, which is the standards question, what we can do is if we click on the edit button, you will notice that immediately a text editor will appear. And as you can see, what we've done in terms of the self-evaluation review is we've set it up in terms of how ESTIN would report. So you've got the questions in the correct order and the ability to provide evidence to support your judgments through the self-evaluation review. So as soon as you click into the box, you're able to start your summary. So you can type into the box. Okay. What you're also then able to do is you're able to provide evidence to support the summary that you provide in the box above. This can be provided in the form of text, but can also be provided in the form of other documents, or perhaps it's a spreadsheet of data and information. So again, you can browse for this information. I'm going to take a document at random, okay, here, which is this is just a PowerPoint presentation, but I'm going to open this just to show you how this works as a process. Once you've uploaded the piece of evidence that you want to add, if you click on the upload button, that will upload the document for you, and that will then appear within the evidence section. Okay, it's quite a large document in this instance, so it's taking a little bit of time to upload, but that will eventually upload, and there you are. You can see it's now been added underneath as evidence to support my judgment on section 1.1.1, which is the results and trends in performance relative to national averages. Once you've completed, if you press on done, what you'll notice is that the information that you've added will have saved into the boxes. The evidence that you've added will have also saved. You don't need to do anything else in terms of saving, and then the next time you want to come back and add to the summary or edit the summary, you're able to come back and simply click on the edit button and put this information together. So again, we can provide that information. So in each time, for each section, you can also provide evidence, as you can see in the boxes here. So all the information can be kept in one place, and it works exactly the same in the key question 2 provision section. Same structure, the same edit button, the same ability to upload evidence into those boxes as well. Same again for the key question 3 leadership, so we've tried to keep it as common as we can across the system here. And then again, the ability to comment on the progress of the SER. So the challenge advisor will have the opportunity to read through, not edit though, the summaries, and then provide some feedback to the head teacher that can then be acted upon by the head teacher, and that can then become an ongoing dialogue as time moves forward. Okay, so that's kind of how the system's been set up for you and how you input information. And again, once this has been completed, you can create a second version at that next point in time in which you're completing your next review, to see the progress that had been made from the previous SER, and you can simply do that by clicking on new version. Okay, so that is how to set up and the tools that are found within the SER, the self-evaluation review section. In the next video guide, I'll be showing you how to set up the school development plan area and how to complete that.